presented to Mary Jane Say Yuson for fulfilling all the requirements of culinary training courses, meat processing and baking conducted by the Philippine Overseas Labor Office at the Migrant Workers and Other Overseas Filipino Resource Center on 11 and 18 March, issued this 18th day of March 2022 at Polo, Amman, Jordan. Mary Jane Yuson.
Angel Peña and Welfare Officer Camarena del Castillo and His Excellency Asmar A. Sakam. Miss Dina Samson for meat processing and baking on March 11 and 18.
Ikaw, i-picture mo.
Doraida Matil for three courses, non-bake, no bake, no oven, recipes, meat processing, and baking. For March 4, 11, and 18. Tawagan natin si Elisa Cardinilas. Mag-days din siya. Elisa. Sunod, si Ginos Inaos, 3 days ahead.
Cute.